Here we will see subtraction of arrays in NumPy. We can perform subtraction on two arrays with minus operator and a subtract function. First we will see performing subtraction with minus operator. Here two NumPy arrays are declared with first array element as 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50 and second array element as 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And when we use array 1 minus array 2, it will give the output 7, 16, 25, 34 and 43. That is, it will perform subtraction element wise. So 10 minus 3 will be 7, 20 minus 4 will be 16, 30 minus 5 will be 25 and so on. Next we'll see performing subtraction on two array with subtract function. General syntax is numpy.subtract with parameters as x1, x2 and out, where x1 and x2 are the required parameter which specifies the arrays. If x1.shape is not equal to x2.shape, they must be broadcastable to a common shape. And out is an optional parameter which specifies a location into which the result is stored. If provided, it must have a shape that the inputs broadcast to. If not provided or a none, a freshly allocated array is returned. For example, here two NumPy arrays are declared with first array element as 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50 and second array element as 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And when we use np.subtract with array 1, array 2, it will give the result 7, 16, 25, 34 and 43. That is, it will give 10 minus 3 as 7, 20 minus 4 as 16, 30 minus 5 as 25 and so on. Now we'll see subtraction with out parameter. Here also two NumPy arrays are declared with first array element as 2, 3, 4, 3, 1 and second array element as 3, 2, 3, 3, 7. And when we use np.subtract with array 1, array 2 and out parameter as np.empty5, which will create a null array of 5 element. It will give the output as minus 1 point, 1 point, 1 point, 0 point and minus 6 point, since the default array element type is float. And if we give np.subtract array 1, array 2 with out equal to np.empty 5, d type as integer, it will give the output as minus 1, 1, 0 and minus 6. That is, if type of array is not specified, the return value is float, and if type is specified as integer, it will return the integer type array. Now we'll execute this in Jupyter notebook. So first we'll import NumPy. So NumPy as np. Then we'll declare two array. So array 1 equal to np.array with elements 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and second array element as np.array with elements 3, 4, 2, 6, 7 and first we'll perform subtraction with minus operator. So result 1 equal to array 1 minus array and we'll print the result as, so print subtraction with minus operator result 1, and when we execute this, it will return the value as 7, 16, 28, 34 and 43. That is, it will perform 10 minus 3, 20 minus 4, 30 minus 2, 40 minus 6 and 50 minus 7. Now we'll perform subtraction with subtract function. So result 2 equal to np.subtract array 1, array 2 and we'll print result 2 as print subtraction with subtract function and we'll print result 2. And when we execute this, it will return 7, 16, 28, 34 and 43. That is, it will subtract two arrays element wise. Now we'll see subtraction with out parameter. So result 3 equal to np.subtract array 1, array 2, out equal to np.empty5 and we'll print result 3. So subtraction with out parameter, result 3. And when we execute this, it will return array as 7 point, 16 point, 28 point, 34 point and 43 point. That is, it will subtract two array element wise and return type is float. Now we'll give return type with out parameter. So result 4 equal to np.subtract array 1, array 2. We will use out equal to np.empty with 5, d type equal to integer and we'll print result 4. So print subtraction of array with return type, result 4. and we'll execute this. It will return array of type integer. After subtraction, it will return array of type integer.